All right, guys, we've gotten ourselves to the point in the project where we're installing the pathway lights. Michael is actually in the process of installing the first one. We've designed these pathway lights to be staggered on either side of the walkway or the elevation change. The first one is right as you step off the front porch, and then the second one over here to the other side, and then we come back to this side of the walkway over here. The idea is that we want to have, even light, pools of light and darkness, so that it is lit up safely and there's no question whether or not there's a step there. We want to be very clear to our visitors so that there's no trip hazards. Pathway lights are one of those necessary fixtures sometimes. If you can't get the ambient light from uplights or downlights that might be in the adjacent areas to also reflect onto these surfaces that might have elevation changes, you have to use pathway lights because again, it's a safety factor. Again, let's watch Michael kind of get this part of the installation finalized.